UW-Madison students have always been interested in helping society, but we didn't have programming on campus that provided the connections between society's problems and tomorrow's solutions. And that's why we created the Undergraduate Certificate in Public Policy.
When I first heard about the Undergraduate Certificate program, I was super excited.
I want to apply.
Sign me up. I wanted to do it right away.
I don't think I quite fully understood what public policy was, but what I did know was that I was really interested in engaging in academic work that I felt like could be applied to real-life problems.
The Follette School Certificate in Public Policy started with 2 classes and 50 students. We're now at 16 classes, and we're serving hundreds of UW-Madison undergraduate students for the first time.
The certificate informs, it empowers students to see how government, how policy can improve the things that they care about.
My public policy classes have really taught me to have an analytic mindset when I think about social issues and the ways that we go about addressing them.
Putting me in contact with professors like Dr. Timothy Smeeding and others in the Follette School as an undergraduate was something I really cherish.
It brings in a lot of different students from a lot of different majors to really create that interdisciplinary environment for students to talk about issues that matter to them.
It allows students to learn how to do evidence-based and nonpartisan analysis.
In 2019, I was an intern at the Capitol. Later that year, I ran for the Dane County Board of Supervisors. So I've had a lot of opportunities to apply the knowledge that I've learned through the certificate program to my day-to-day.
That's the beauty of the undergraduate education that we provide. It really is meant to be one that is lasting for the student, something that they can always lean on, regardless of the circumstance that they find themselves in.
It's really enriched my experience as a UW student, and I will use this experience to enrich other people's lives.
Before, I thought that public policy was very exclusive, but I realize now that it's exclusive just as a construct. Public policy is something that everyone can engage in, especially when it relates to issues that are important to them.
It is something that students hungered for, and when we were able to provide, they flocked to. That is just a sure measure of the success and the value of the investment that Senator Cole was able to make in the Follette.
It's going to expose students who are interested in careers in business and public policy in the future to economics, political science, sociology, history, ways of bringing these different fields together to tackle our common problems.
It's important to have all voices at the table, women, people of color, and other minorities, so that we can really move forward with a commitment to equity and serve all people.
There's so much more that we can do. There are new classes, new policy areas that we want to expose our students to. Education is the kind of investment, the legacy gift that we want to give to the next generation, and what better area to do it in than public policy. We want to train the future leaders of tomorrow, and we want to do it today.